Hey guys, so this is just going to be a very quick video today. I've had some people ask me about the tiny vertical cinch by Rough and Tumble and how I like it and maybe how I pack it up. So I wanted to do a little video showing you guys what I put into my tiny vertical cinch, what I like about it, and yeah, so let's go ahead and start. So this is a really kind of smallish handbag style by Rough and Tumble. It does have the backpack option, so it is in the Hobo kind of family. This is in the butter saddle. So the nicest feature I love about this bag is it does have a zip front pocket right here with metal hardware, and straps being adjustable and convertible is really nice option. I usually have it on the shortest setting for so it goes over my shoulder and it sits right kind of just above my hip, and it's really good because I can just open it and access things without having to take it off my shoulder. You can attach a Hobo Strap on these loops that are on the inside of the bag, not on the outside. So that's an interesting feature right there, that they have them in that spot and not where they usually are. The way this bag closes is with a cinch. So that can be a little bit cumbersome for some people, and you do have to kind of give it a tug. But I don't mind it because this is a lamb leather. It's a little bit smoother, and I find it really easy to pull closed and then just kind of slightly open it and access it this way. So I'll just give you a quick look on the inside of the bag. This is set up basically the same way as all Rough and Tumble Hobos, except it does not have the leather pockets on these little pockets here. So you've got the two pockets here, the little hook here, and also another hook here, and it does come with a key fob, and this hook actually opens. It's like a lobster clip. And then on the other side there is a zip compartment, which again does not have the slip pocket. So I guess it's kind of like the Breeze, the Rough and Tumble Breeze as far as the organization goes, but I really do like it. At first I wasn't a fan of this bag, and then I started using it and I really did end up liking it. I used it for days without changing out. So let me show you how I pack up the tiny vertical cinch. So I do have my phone here. This is an iPhone 10, and I just pop that into this pocket here, and it's very easy to access. I love it. So that's fantastic in there. I'll just open up this compartment here. So this is the zip compartment here. I like to put in my mini Y pouch. Now I want to mention, obviously these are not items for children. This is just as a handbag, but my kids are older, so I don't usually have to take much these days. If I do, I just pop a toy or two in here. And also I have a coin purse with my hairbrush and hair ties, and that goes in there as well in the same section, just zip apart compartment just side by side. So zip that up, that's where I usually put that. I forgot one of my set pieces, so I just went and grabbed that. So that's the next thing I'm going to put in. So I'm going to turn this around here. Now I always kind of pack my bags the same, so if I have to go into any bag, I know where things are. So here is my small set piece with my med kit things in there. Like I'll give you a quick peek in case you're wondering. So I've got lens wipes, alcohol wipes, which actually that's leaked. Oh, okay, so I've got something here that's leaked, which is this. This is a betadine little antiseptic thing, which I'm not a big fan, so I'm going to take that out of there, but that's what they have in Australia. I have a little pair of scissors, a bag hook, some floss, hand cream, band-aids, which I am going to have to take out because they're all wrecked from the leakage, but there's usually, and then some headache tablets. And what I usually do is I put this into the right hand side pocket, and then I also put a hand sanitizer. This is the Dr. Bonner Lavender one from Australia. That goes next to it, right there. Then on this side, I usually put my small set piece with my lipstick, lip gloss and such lip products in there. And then in the center, I just have my cash pack, which is my wallet. That just goes right in there. It fits nicely sideways or standing up. So I could do it standing up. And then this is my little Maui Jim sunglass case. I don't always have this, but I'll show you how it fits. It fits standing up too. And then my little keys. This is for my car. I usually attach these to this hook here on the side, and I have a lobster clip from my NCO key hook, but I could just use the one that's in there and pop that down the side there, and it works great. So that is how it looks packed up. Sorry, my daughter's bombarding the video, and I think it looks really nice. Let me just show you if I can, a quick on the body. This is how I like to carry it on my shoulder, here like this. And you see how that sits perfectly. Now if I wanted to backpack it, I would have to adjust it, but it's easy. You just grab these two like this. It looks like when it's cinched up, like this. And then if you put it on the back.
Oh, look, mommy.
Yeah, like this. So it looks like on the back. And you can also crossbody it like this.
Oh, Mama, whoa, Bobby, it went to my back.
Yeah. So there you go. Okay, so there's my little review and packing on the Tiny Vertical Cinch by Rough and Tumble. If you have any questions, please pop them below. And I'll see you next time. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Bye.